How to convert PDF to Word on your mobile phone. What's up everybody, in this quick tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily convert your PDF into a Word document. So the first thing you're going to have to do is locate your PDF. I'm just going to go ahead and open up my files. From here I'm going to head over to Documents, and I have a document on my WhatsApp, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this PDF up. So once you open it up, you'll find the location of it. Now, in order to convert this particular PDF into Word, you don't need to install any app. You can directly do this online. So you're going to have to open up your web browser. Here on your browser, you will just have to tap on the search bar and search for PDF to Word and then hit enter. And now you'll find different kind of options here. So I recommend you go with the smallpdf.com. It's quite reliable. Now click on choose file. From here you can choose from device, tap on it. Now select media picker. Now from here I'm just going to select documents and then select my PDF. Once you select it, it will automatically convert this to Word. So as you can see up top, it's converting PDF to Word. Wait for a bit. And once the conversion is complete, you can easily download this. Tap on download and you're good to go. So if I open up my download, tap on open, I'm going to open up with WPS Office. Now the Word file has been opened. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.